Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create video in Adobe Express. So let's started. At first open your desktop. I can say now open the Adobe Express software. I can say now I can say now show the home page and create from video. Now select from create video. Now click. I can say video size, mobile video and video landscape, and I select from mobile video. Now click. I can say create video. Now we show the any template. Now click. Now play. I can see then we show add music. Now click from add music, add audio. Now choose from audio. Now select from audio and play. That it's. I can see create mobile video in Adobe Express is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.